Right now, while most people are trading dollars for hours with no end in sight, there's a small group of complete beginners that are quietly building a $300 per month reoccurring white label software business on the side. Not with any code, not with any tech degree, and not with any startup capital. Just a white label software tool most people have never even heard of. And a $100 million company called Birdeye is accidentally handing them the entire business model. And the craziest part is local businesses are paying Birdeye hundreds of dollars a month to use their software. Think dentists, plumbers, electricians, chiropractors, restaurant owners, garage repair, real estate agents. So imagine if you could white label a software that does the exact same thing that Birdeye does and charge $297 a month. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clone Birdeye's entire business model using a simple white label software. You set it up in under an hour and you start charging local businesses $297 a month today. No coding, no degree, no tech experience. This is for complete beginners, even if you're starting from scratch. All right, let's dive in. All right, so first things first, I wanted to show you how big of a business Birdeye actually is. So in 2024, they did $146 million worth of revenue and their total funding was $93 million. So they're getting funding in, capital in to grow their business. They have 80,000 customers. They are absolutely killing it. All right, so let's go to the Birdeye website to actually see what they offer. So they're basically an all-in-one marketing platform, and their biggest thing is helping local businesses get more reviews. And as you know, if you get more reviews, you're going to rank higher in Google. And if you rank higher in Google, you're getting more customers into your business. That's the main thing that they offer. All right, so over on their products pages, let's kind of dive into the features they have in their software so I can show you how to white label this and create your own software to do the exact same thing. So they have review AIs. Again, that is one of their biggest features, is helping local businesses automate their review requests, getting more reviews on Google and helping them rank. They also have social AI, so a social media planner, listing AI, which helps them get listed all in one place, search AI, so helping them get ranked in Google and ChatGPT, all of the AI that's out there now, marketing automations, competitor analysis, messaging AI, chatbot AI, surveys, reviews, referrals, all that stuff. Okay, so mass texting. There's kind of all their products. All right, so let's dive into their main feature, which is Review AI, which helps businesses get more reviews. And again, when you're getting more reviews, you're going to be able to rank higher. So you can, so it automates the review process. It gets them to reply to the reviews, which is really important because you want to optimize and show Google that you're a real business. It also gives you data, reporting, monitoring from multiple sites, and so on and so forth. So what are they actually charging business owners in order to do this? So Birdeye has kind of three plans, a $299 plan, which gives you the review AI, and then the social AI and the chatbot. So the dominate one is $449 per month. So again, you get the review, listing, messaging, social, and chatbot. That's the main features. So now let me show you the white label software that you can use to basically copy their entire business model. All right, so the software that we're talking about is GoHighLevel. And this is an amazing software that you can basically white label, put your own name on it, put your own branding, your own colors, your own logo, and basically create the same exact system and the same exact software that Birdeye has to offer reputation management in an all-in-one inbox and other features. And when you sign up for the SaaS mode, you can basically white label the entire software and make it your own. Like I said, you can put your own logo on it. You can put your own white label domain, your privacy policies, obviously. You can customize the kind of what it looks and feels like using ChatGPT, and then you can use dark mode or light mode and fully customize it yourself. So that when a customer comes in, this is what they're seeing. They basically have this launch pad. They are going to link their Google business profile to the CRM, their Facebook, and then they're going to be able to use all of these features on the side, which is actually more than Birdeye offers. So they're going to have their conversation tab, which is their all-in-one inbox. They're going to have their calendar, their contacts, payment, so they can actually take payments in. And they also have AI agents, marketing, sales, automations, sites, membership, all of these things. So we're going to focus again on the reputation management. So when you get a client, you're basically going to create them a sub account under your white labeled software, and you can set up their reputation management right here. So you just go to reputation, go over to settings, and under settings, you're going to be able to show the review link here. So you can go ahead and click this, and they'll have their Google business profile here, and the link will be right here. So you can basically use that to send out text to their customers and get reviews automatically. And then under the review AI, you can actually use AI to respond to those customer reviews, or you can have them do suggested. You can turn it off. It's fully customizable. You can even have it wait 20 minutes after the review gets put up so that it looks like it's a human, looking through the reviews and actually responding to them. You can do their Google business optimization. So when their Google business profile is linked up, you can basically have it go through and optimize their entire Google business listing so that they are maximizing their marketing on Google. And believe it or not, I have absolutely nothing to sell you, no high ticket coaching, no course. I actually give everything away for free in my free course. And with my free course, you're going to get this website that's already pre-set up to sell this software and to white label this software. So as you can see, it's under sites and websites, and we're going to go ahead and look at what this looks like. So this is a done for you website template that you can basically use. You can customize it however you want, but it is set up and ready to go. And as you can see, you see the reviews, messaging, web chat, payments, AI follow-up, all the things that Birdeye is offering their customers, but you can white label this and sell it for whatever price you want. I currently sell my offer at $497 a month, but again, you can sell yours for whatever you want and you can customize this and it is ready to go. This whole site is ready to go. It's got online reviews, messaging, payments, all right here. Kind of clean and organized, automate your reviews online, communicate effectively with your customers, get paid faster than ever, grow your audience. It's even got the demo booked in right here. This whole thing can be yours. Again, let's go over to the reviews real quick. Again, each feature is kind of laid out so that you can sell this as a white label software. And again, I don't have anything to sell you. All I ask is that you, if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button, share with a friend, and comment free course below. And I'm going to give you all of my scripts, my templates, my live one-on-one kickoff call, my website, my agency website that you can white label and actually start selling GoHighLevel as your own software under the SaaS mode, and everything you need to succeed, everything you need to get started doing this exact same thing. You're going to get everything you need to clone Birdeye's business model and start selling it as your own white label software. And I want to be really clear. You're not copying Birdeye's code or software or anything like that. You're using GoHighLevel, which is a white label software, and just painting your branding on it, putting your branding on it, putting your touch on it, and then reselling it. All right, let's go back to Birdeye's pricing and break this down a little bit more. So for their starter plan, you get the review AI, listing AI, and messaging AI. So if we go back to high level, let's go ahead and look. You get the reputation management, which is their review AI. You get their conversation AI, which is going to be the conversations tab here, the all-in-one inbox. And then for the listing AI, if you go back into reputation and go over to listings, you can enable this for any local business that you're helping, but you're basically going to activate the listing so that all of their listings line up with Google Business Profile. So everything is talking to each other, everything matches, and there's no confusion. And if you think about it, Birdeye is charging $300 per month just for those 3 features. And let me tell you from experience, local businesses, they do not care what software they're using. They could care less. A lot of them have no clue what Birdeye even is. There's 44 million small local businesses in the US, and I'd say probably 10% have ever heard of Birdeye, which is great because you can take the same features and the same solutions that they're offering to their business owners and do the same for your local town and your local area. All right, so let's do some quick math. I have this calculator on this site and let's just calculate. All right, so $300 per month. If say you get 5 clients, you're earning $1,500 a month. I don't know about you, but that's at least groceries paid for my family and almost my mortgage. So now let's get to 10. Now you're at $3,000 per month, earning $36,000 per year. Talk about an amazing side hustle. And the great thing about this is that it's a reoccurring income. This is not like digital products or drop shipping or course sales where you have to constantly find new customers. You have to have an audience. You actually have to keep selling over and over and over to continue to earn money. This is you create it once. You set it up one time, you clone the software, you white label it, you set up your website, you start selling to local businesses. And once they're signed up for $300 a month, they're using the software, they're using the app that comes along with it. They're going to pay you month after month after month and not even think about it. So it stacks on top of each other. It's reoccurring income and it's literally the best business model that's out there. Anything that has reoccurring income coming in is absolutely gold. So say we want to go full time with this. We really hustle for the next 3 to 6 months. We get 20 clients paying us $300 per month. We're earning $6,000 per month and $72,000 per year. And again, it goes endless after that. You can really get as many customers as you want. I know many people that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars a year doing this exact business model. And I know tons of people that just want to get it started and do a side hustle and earn a couple $1,000s per month reoccurring to help their family get a little more wiggle room and start to reach financial freedom. And the crazy part about this business model is that it's a software, so the profit margins are absolutely insane. The software costs about $497 a month to do the SaaS and the white labeling. So if you're getting just 2 clients, you're already in the profit and you're already making money every single month. And again, it just snowballs and it just compounds on each other. But the software is really your only cost to get started, and you get a free 30-day trial when you sign up with the link in the description. So you can basically set up your entire software. You can white label it. You can get your website set up and you can start going after that first client so that the software becomes free after you get your first client, and then it's all profit from there. All right, so what does this even look like? And again, I have tons of videos on my channel talking about how to get clients and how to actually set up the software and what features to offer. But to get started, you're going to go to Google. You're going to search chiropractor, HVAC, plumber, electrician in your area. You're going to find the ones that have very low reviews or no reviews at all, no website. You can offer them a website. I have a full video on setting up an AI website for them and charging them anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 just for that. There's so much you can do with this software. It's absolutely insane. I can't believe there's so many people that don't know about it yet. You know what? Let me show you an example. All right, so we're over on Google Maps. Again, this is how you're going to find the clients after you have everything set up. You're going to go to Google Maps, you're going to type in a local service business up top, and you can put in near me or a city or a town that you're near. I personally like becoming the local hero in my area because once you get like 5 or 6 clients, people start referring people back to you and you start becoming the local hero in the area that can help with the marketing. Then you're going to scroll down and try to find ones that have a low amount of reviews, no website. This is showing businesses that are just getting started that really need this software in order to grow and scale their online reputation and their reviews. So this American Appliance Repair would be a perfect one. I would start an Excel sheet. You can even scrape these with a scraper and find ones that have a low amount of reviews, 20, 25 or below. And I'd start reaching out to them one by one, either cold calling or direct messaging on Facebook is probably my favorite way to do it. But you'd basically let them know, hey, I know that you have way more than 16 happy clients, but it looks like you need some help getting more reviews. I actually created a software that helps local businesses get more reviews and get ranked higher on Google. I'd love to show it to you. I'd love to get you signed up, whatever you're comfortable with. All right, so there's 1, here's 2, Northeast Commercial Appliance Repair. Commercial companies are really great to work on. And this one has a Wix site, so I'm sure it's not a very good site. Nope, horrible. So that's definitely a site that could get refreshed as well with the software. Appliance Man, I would not work with them. They have a 20 stars and a 1.7, so they're like a fly by the night. You want to avoid those business owners. Again, another one. This is a treasure trove. Wow. I just found like 10. They need this software. They need more 5-star reviews. They need to rank higher in Google. So another really good way to reach out to these customers is make a quick Loom video. And if Loom is a free software, you can basically record your screen and go through and just audit their Google business profile. So, point out that they don't have a website. They only have 16 reviews, 4.4 stars isn't too bad. And they're not responding to the reviews. So that's probably a bad thing. You definitely want to be responding to reviews. So again, then you're going to point out your competitors and basically just show, they have more reviews. They have a fully built out Google business profile. They're probably responding to their customers. They have a website. So all of these things, you're basically pointing out the problems that they have. And a good marketing tactic that I've used over the last 10 years is called the PASS method. It's problem, agitate, solution. So you're going to point out the problems, you're going to agitate why that's a problem, and then you're going to give them a solution to their problem. It's very simple, but it works very well, whether you're sending Loom videos, DMs, cold calls, or even getting on a Zoom call to kind of sell them. The PASS method works really, really well. Not only that, they would love the all-in-one inbox, and there's also a social AI here. So again, you're getting these businesses real results. You're not pushing that you have a software, you're pushing that you can get them more clients on autopilot from Google that's going to save them time and make them more money. All they care about is the results and the ROI they're gonna get. So let's dive back in real quick to Birdeye's pricing. And I never got to show you social AI here and chatbot AI. So again, we can copy this entire business model and white label it and put it into high level. So let's go through. I already showed you can do these three in the starter plan. If you wanted to charge more, again, I'm up to the $497 month now. You can add social AI. So under marketing, if you go right here, there's also a social planner here. So they can link up all of their social media and have a scheduler right there. So there's another feature that you can add to charge more money. And then the chatbot AI, that's simple. You come over to sites, you go to chat widget, and you can click create new. Let's do a live chat. And you can basically set it up so that you can get them a live chat widget on their website. Simple, you kind of go through the step-by-step thing and then you click get code and you paste it on their website. Super simple and easy to do. And that's another feature that gets you up to this dominant plan. So just adding these features, stacking them on top of each other is the easiest thing to do. And again, you can white label this. I'm going to give you all of my scripts, my templates, everything. This website that's templated and ready to go. You just need to update the branding on it and the colors. And you can get this set up this week and start selling this week and start building this business. So again, Birdeye is charging anywhere from $300 to $500 per month for their software, and you can white label this using GoHighLevel and sell it the exact same thing for yourself. The real challenge is getting started. Action takers are money makers. So make sure you comment free course below. I'll make sure to send you everything you possibly need to get started and get set up so you can start selling this white label software and earning reoccurring income every single month. And the hardest part is going to be niching down, picking one niche, going after it, and landing the first client. After you get the first client, everything snowballs. You gain the experience, you gain the confidence, and the first client's the hardest to get, but after that, it just snowballs. And listen, if you're serious about setting this up, this next video right here is one that you're gonna wanna watch. It's a complete GoHighLevel tutorial, step-by-step, so you understand all the features, how to navigate it, and get started as quickly as possible. All right, go ahead and click here. I'll see you over there. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.